Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start on the Home or Today view, unlock the iPhone X and go straight to where Widgets live. Press and hold an empty area or a widget until everything jiggles. This is jiggle mode. You'll see a small plus sign at the top left. Tap that to open the widget gallery. Once done, you can scroll the gallery to find a widget type. Make sure to look at sizes and previews so you pick the right layout before adding it to the screen. You've opened the gallery and selected a size. Tap Add Widget to place it on the screen. Hold and drag the new widget while still in jiggle mode to position it precisely. Align with app icons or leave space for another widget. To save space, drag one widget onto another to create a smart stack. This lets widgets rotate by relevance. Make sure to tap the Stack and Edit settings so the most useful widget appears first. This improves quick access and keeps your layout tidy. You finish by customizing or cleaning up. Long press any widget and choose Edit Widget to change its data source or refresh frequency. To remove one, long press and tap Remove Widget, then confirm. This won't delete the app. If a widget won't update or appear, first toggle Wi-Fi or cellular, force close the app, and restart your iPhone X. These steps fix most sync issues. If problems persist, check app permissions and background app refresh settings before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.